Hey, what's up guys? Come back to my channel Intense. Guys, आज guys हम खेलने वाले हैं guys वो ब्लॉक्स guys आज guys हम खेलने वाले हैं guys. Don't press the button. भैया मैं प्रेस करूँगा तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? मैं प्रेस तो करूँगा ही. तुमको क्या लगता है मैं प्रेस नहीं करूँगा क्या? बहुत लैगी हो रहा है. बे जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट लोड हो. Push the button. Begin. Tsunami incoming. Get to higher ground. जी सर. ले higher ground जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Oh लोड हो गया फिर. ओ भाई. सुनामी वहाँ पर ही है भैया. अबे हम तो जीत गए भैया. फर्स्ट राउंड में ही जीत गए. Oh, you're all Freddy's children. Nope, I'm not Freddy's children, bro. Give that coin. Ah, there's Freddy. Oh man, this guy attacks. He attacks, man. Gotta hide. Where do I hide? What can we buy over here, man? Oh my God, Freddy, don't get me, bro. Oh, free coins. Give me 1 coin. Oh, you're not gonna take this coin? Boom, thank you. Boom again. Oh no, you're gonna get that coin. Okay. Let's press that again. Oh, where's. I'm gonna climb. I want to climb. Oh no, I did tap down. What is this? The smell of rotten flesh in the air. Survive the zoo, bro. Oh my God, you literally brought a zombie. Oh my God. Look at them, their faces. Oh, more zombies are rising. Oops. What kind of a zombie is that? Man, it's fiery. Oh boy. Boy. Let's get up to safety over here. Let's jump out of here. Boy. That was a hearty attack, man. God damn. Oh, somebody does it. He has no eyes. Survive Thunder, man. Yes, Gentleman teleport, so he doesn't even need eyes, and he doesn't even have eyes. Where is he? Hi, bro. Come in. How are you doing? Yo, fine. You know, I'm just gonna. What? I can't use an emote. Ah. Whoa. What was that? Boom, right? Oh, I'm gonna go for my favorite color. It's gonna be like this. When it comes to one, I'm just gonna jump. Boom! Oh, it didn't come to one, but oh, yellow done. Don't be yellow. I think it won't be yellow. I don't know. Oh gosh, it's yellow. Dagnabbit, yellow is so unlucky. Unlucky. Guys, everybody type in the comments. Unlucky yellow. This guy, he has no eyes. He watches everything. Oh me, yup. Can we hide over here? Nice shoes. Very. Oh wait, like I want that coin. Get it. Gosh. Goddamn fool. Goddamn fool, man. Oh, there's no coin right there now. Get him. No. Oh, boy. Goddamn fool. Can I please get me out of here? What is this? 13. What is this? Minus AHT? What are you talking about, bro? Get that boy. Oh, come on. It's a war zone. What are you warring versus British? Because British warred us, and we're gonna war British now. Boy, क्या टाड़ा guys background noise आ रहा है guys, तो उसको ignore करना guys. Oh भाई फिर से broken bones. Oh fall down the stair for a reward. I'm not gonna. No, I'm not gonna, Mr. Revolve. Get it! No! Go, 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 go. I'm very near to the stairs. Go, 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 go. Jump, man. Alamaganga! No, no. Fall there only. Fall there only. Yes, I got 106. Nice. I was gonna be able to fall one more time. This guy has a grab. He's like in the moon. Bro. Go, 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 go. Quickly go. Quickly go. Oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Press the button. I know it says don't press the button, but I'm going to survive bear in his room. What is this? I don't know. The guy has a smack a duty coil. He ain't getting. Oh, he got up there. What's here? Oh, where is Bear? Oh, there he is. Yep. What is this? Oh, new volcano eruption? What? There's an extinct volcano in India. I don't. I'm dead. Gosh damn fool. Press that button. I'm a hyper laser fight where with the laser spawn. God, they're everywhere. Oh, first person. Oh, got him. Oh boy, oh, got him. Oh, come on. Goddamn fools. Ah, didn't get him. Come on, there. Oh, nice. I think I got 3 people. Oh, climb. Oh, I'm not gonna climb. I know I'm not gonna make it, so I'm just gonna cut some coins. It's black and white. Boom. Acid. Man, you gotta be kidding me. Starting now. Do good things. Man, those are my coins. No. My corn. Oh gosh. Oof. I got 5. I'm dead. Who won? Only one guy won. Who's gonna press the button? Somebody gonna? Yes. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob. He's a spongy guy who lives in a pineapple. I don't know. Where is he, man? Bobby. Oh, there's Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Oh, man, Bobby looks angry. Bobby, can you get me, Bobby? I'm going to stamp on your head. I'm going to stamp on your head. Oh, he attacks. I know he attacks. That got really pain. Time to real close. What walls are closing? Blast. Run for your life. Run. And I'm just going to leave you. Woo! Hey, we all here, we all survived. This is very easy to survive. This. Hey, let's go to the. Wait a minute. Oh, who lives under the pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob, definitely. Oh, yeah, 136. What to do? I'm gonna buy the speak call when I get 150. Oh, man, there's the angry SpongeBob. God dang. Man, Sponge! I'm gonna wash vessels with your help. Spongy, come back here, bro. Let's scale the elevator. Okay. Let's get in here. If you're there. Okay, I'm entering the scary elevators. Oh! My God, that was like some, what do you call it? Man, that scared me. I'm getting old the TV. Yo, that works. God, shut up, man. Got up. Hey, okay. I'm gonna press it. A skeleton attack. What? Whoa, it's also a thunder attack as well. Oh my God, where did this guy come from? Hello, bro. Where did you come from? Oh my God, they're coming from these boxes. Man, I'm gonna become a zombie after some years. Oh, not the acid. Oh, come on. Goddamn fools over here, man. God damn. Man, that was a good round. I got 150. I can buy the speed coil. I can buy. Quickly. Round finish. Okay. There is it. A scary elevator. Nobody wait. Not gonna go in there yet. Give me my speed. I'm running this much. Now I'm gonna run fast. I'm gonna get that going though. Okay. Oh my god, that monster is still there. Get up the TV. Yes, nice. Oh my god, it puts a nice little beautiful trail. Man, I like this trail. Guys, if you like this trail, guys, hit that subscribe button, guys. Okay, guys, if you like it, you can hit it. Not like you can, you gotta hit it. Oh my god, I just saw Bear Beastie hand. I saw Bear's hand. Man, you can see that, guys. This guy's so full. Man, I like this trail. What are they even trying to get? Oh my god. I think you just saw me. A volcano eruption. Okay. Oh, okay. No. What? I was not able to jump. Not fair. Wait a minute. Where is the trail? I don't understand. Oh, there is it. It only comes in the rain, don't you? Don't get what? The fool fudgy doodle is. Get in the house! Hurry! Run! They throw the bomb. A classic sword fight. What? I like my trail. Classic sword fight. Who would like a sword fight out of nice? Oh, give me that. Come back here, girl. I'm gonna bash you. Boom, baby. What? Who dared to get me? Oh, wow. No, ladies and gentlemen, give me that sword. Goddamn fools. Man, I gotta hide. I'm gonna hide right here. No, they can get over me. Yeah, bro, I'm hiding right beside here. No big deal. Oh, just an ordinary lander. Come on, go. No, I wish it comes again. Disappearing blocks. Where is it? There, here. Oh my god. Oh, and this is blue color? I like it. Oh no, this is purple. Whack. Give me that, man. That cut you? Why you still alive? Man, you stop. You're not gonna cut me off. Man, you took my coin. Whoa, bro. Where do you come from, matey? Oh, I do parkour skills. Nice parkour skills. Whoa, he has no eyes. Okay, fine. I'm gonna run. Oh man, this guy's stealing all my. What do you think, huh? Boom. There he is. Oh, is he even after me? No, he's not. Yeah, bro, what? He has some boat that he can shoot. Oh, bear. I'm sorry, slender. Man. Hi, bro. Oh, again, he has no idea what says everything. Boom, baby. Oh, you're not gonna get these quartz. It's a rich. Hi. Slendy. Oh, no. Oh, there is Slendy. Well, I like this trail. If you be still, it flies. Man, this poor guy. Ha. Oh, man. He is not poor at all. He is not poor at all. Hunted. Run for the killer. I want to be a killer. Brian guy will be the killer. God damn fool, I'm not the killer. Get up quickly. Run. I think he's a killer. Run for your life. Everybody looks like a killer here. Oh, he stole my coin. Whoa! sound killer. He has I don't know how to describe him. Like, yeah, he's that guy. No, he's not. Where did the killer go? Killer. Oh, so man, that guy. Somebody's. Oh, it's a war zone. What are you guys kidding me, man? No. Hide. Hide. Throw the bomb. This way. Okay, let's go. Let's hunt these places. Get the guns. Shut up, man. Stay connected. I'm always connected. Oh, come on. Shut up. Who's back on my side? Disturbers. Man, I want the original ladder to come. Oh, hyper laser fight. Rumpa alive. I know it'll come one right here. Wait a minute. There we go, boys. Ready. Man. God damn, I'm not able to get you. Yeah. You said now the hunted a random person will become the killer. This guy's only the killer. Oh, I got him. Oh, run. I got 2 of these. Oh, get up. Wait a minute. Let's zoom out. Get there. God damn. Dang nabbit. Daggy nabbity. I want that originator. I don't know what's that name. I want that name. And you're dead. Oh no, he's in broken bones. I'm crying. I'm gonna break all my bones into pieces. Alamagunga. Oh, boom, baby. Got my reward. That's your shows. I'm gonna use my my speed core and fall in once again. What? I literally bounced off it. And I'm saying, you didn't. God damn. I got 3. What? Go. Nope, no time. This is being blocks. Okay. Boing. Somebody wants this? Oh, I forgot that these blocks are disappear. Can I surround this? I'm being surrounded. Ooh, man. I'm a girl. I got 13 times. A skeleton attack. Uh-oh. This is gonna be right here. I'm not gonna get it, man. Sorry. Skeleton is gonna come out of there, and he's gonna get my booty. I need to make it quick. Drink it. Eat it. Whatever you do, just heal me. Yes. Climb. Oof. Oh, I got a reward. Whoa! I'm a fire in my laser. Oof. I get real, man. That's cool. Okay, that keep making that. Ooh, boy. I'm just gonna use this one. Oh, you see? Ooh, man, nice. Close. Raining bombs. Keep moving toward the bombs. No, thank you for not getting there. Ooh. The blast off a long time, but we have planned. Oh man, I'm risking. Oh, okay. So guys, it's. Oh wait, last one. We never did this. Oh my god, oh fudge. Okay, that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, press the bell, like the video. Press the bell, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and please, guys, subscribe. Why are you not subscribing? Please, because I'm a new subscriber. I mean a new YouTuber. I want my, what do you call them? Subs. So, guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit that like button, and then we'll see you all next time. Bye.